This video, I will show you how to use OLED display to show Amharic character. OLED is organic light emitting diode, and there are different size, different color OLED display. For example, some is monochrome OLED. Monochrome in Chinese is 单色, 单色. That means single color. And if it's colorful OLED, color in Chinese means 彩色, 彩色. This is how to 连接 OLED display and Arduino. The protocol between OLED and Arduino is I2C. I2C before we already introduced in LCD display. So we only need SDA and SCL2 cable is enough for communicate. For OLED, we will use U8G2 library. U8G2. This library supports a lot of different display and driver. For Amharic, we also need some powerful tools. So U8G2 website also has such tools. Click code and download. This is downloaded U8G2 tools, and we will extract. Got this folder, untracked folder, and there are some tools. We will check these tools later. Before shoot Amharic, we should have the conception of Unicode. Unicode is a universal character encoding standard that assign a code to every character and symbol in every language in the world. That means no matter English, Chinese, or Amharic, this should unique code in this standard. For example, ha in Unicode is 1200, hu is 1201, he is 1202, like so. Different with PC computer or mobile. For Arduino, it has no enough memory to store all of this Amharic character. So what character you want to display, we just store that character. That's why we need Unicode. For example, for this Ethiopia proverb, when spider webs unite, they can tie up a line. We just need to display this character is enough. No need the whole Amharic character. So we need to know their Unicode. For example, first I input to this website. This website is decode encode Unicode text. So click convert. Okay, here we know 125 F5 is the Unicode of the second character. 122D is Unicode. Now open our U8G2 master folder and tools, font, build. Inside build folder, we can create a new text file and open that. We need to insert the Amharic Unicode here. First is 32 up to 128. What's that? That is some English character and some punctuation. And enter. First, like the Unicode is 1 to F5. And before that, we also need a $sign, and finish with comma. A new line. Second character, also $sign. Unicode is 122D, and also comma. Like though, we will input all Unicode we need. After you finish input every character's Unicode, we will save our file. Pay attention when you select Save As, not Save As TXT file. We select all files and give name, for example, Amharic.map. map is our file extension. Save that. We need a font property Amharic font for our OLED. So we need a glyph bitmap distribution format that we call the BDF format. That is font prepared for small display like OLED. Here, this is website of BDF font viewer, and also you can download this software. This is downloaded BDF viewer program. Open that and file open. We can select desktop U8G2 master folder, tools, font, BDF. There are some BDF fonts. I found one of Amharic font inside cu12.bdf. Open that. You see there are lots of different characters. Is Amharic. So we will use this Amharic font to show on our OLED. Now open U8G2 folder, tools, font, BDF.com. Inside this folder, also create a new text file and open that. We will use some command already prepared. So this command is a little bit complicated, but you will see we will use our cu12 BDF file, and also we create Amharic.map, and then our objective is output a Amharic.c file. So remember, input this file and save as, for example, Amharic also select all file. Now we need this file is BAT. Save it. This is Amharic.bat. Then double click. Wait a moment. Then in this folder you will find we create Amharic.c file. Open that. Then you copy in C program, copy all of this code from const uint8 from here to the end. Copy them. Then inside the Arduino program, you can paste this code. I already pasted here this code from that C file. Also, this line is our hardware device, and for more detail, if you want to study more information, you can use library U8G2. For example, page buffer Chinese, because Chinese and Amharic they are similar, so you can check this program and study. All of this is different hardware, but we need to select our specified hardware. Okay, so all of this code is Amharic code. Then for my program also I prepare some Chinese code. Then for setup part, we need to enable UTF-8 print. Then here we need to set fonts. First set AM. This AM means Amharic. Then set position, cursor position. Input Amharic proverb. And then set font for Chinese. Also, I will show this proverbs Chinese version. I have uploaded the program. Now it's program running. You can see the Amharic and Chinese show on OLED. I wish you enjoyed today's tutorial, and next time I will show you how to simulate that in Pro Tools. See you next time.